Welcome to Carrollton, Texas. I'm excited for this one. You said you want to be close to the airport. You said you want an adult playground. I got you covered. Come on in.
Like that. Should I like it like that? I like it like that. Should I like it like that? I like it like that.
So you said you want to be close to the airport? Let's go. Now that you've seen the house, let's go see the adult playground. Let's go.
I like it like
Welcome to your adult playground right here located in the Colony. You've got Grandscape, you've got Puttery right over there, you've got red phone booths for my cigar smokers. You have plethora of restaurants. You guys, welcome to Carrollton. Welcome to the Colony. 3 minutes from your doorstep.